Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it's a fabulous day to be feeling and doing great. Now I am going to be doing a natural look, get ready with me, which was inspired by Susan from Little Poet. I'm going to link her video so that you can check it out. And I'm going to show you how I got a natural look because we're in Miami and it's 83 degrees. I don't want to have too much makeup. Also, I have this boo-boo on my eye, so I can't really wear that much makeup. So if you want to see what I achieved, just stick around.
Action fun and back to Lock 19 with Marta.
The first thing that I did was prep my face, and one of the things that I love to use to prep my face is this serum from Love is Derma. This serum, I did a video on it, I'm going to link it for you. This serum is fabulous. It is super hydrating. It has a great texture, a great feeling to it. It goes deep into your skin. It's not tacky, it's not sticky, it doesn't bother you. I love it. And the way that this works is, let me read what it has here for you. It has panthenol, which is a vitamin B5, and it also has niacinamide, which is another vitamin B. It's vitamin B3, and that helps to strengthen your skin and to heal your skin from damage. So I love the product. I really feel that my skin is more toned. I feel it fresher. I just love it. What I do is I keep it in the refrigerator. You only have to use this once a day. I love this. I use this in the daytime, and then at nighttime I use my vitamin C, ferulic acid. I don't know how you say that. Okay, and then let me tell you a little bit about what it has. It has aqua, which is basically water, bitolin glycol, which I have no clue what it is, and it has sodium hyaluronic, which is part of a hyaluronic acid, and it also has the panthenol, niacinamide, and it has the camellia sinensis leaf, which we know that the camellia oil is very, very good for you. So it's got all of these products in here. All of those ingredients are in here. This is great. You really need to check it out. You're gonna fall in love with it the same way I did. Then the other thing that I use to prep my skin before my makeup is I use Neutrogena 55 SPF sunscreen. Now, before I was depending on my foundation for sunscreen, and I was using it CC cream, Your Skin But Better, but I saw a video from Wayne Goss and how he explained how much foundation you actually have to wear in order to use it as a sunscreen. So it was a lot of foundation, and it's not good. It's not going to protect you because you're not going to wear that much foundation ever, and you need to have skin protection. So the right dose, the right application amount is going to be a lot more. So what I do is I am using this as a sunscreen, which is lovely. It's just lovely. It goes on your face, and then it doesn't leave a white ghostly cast. It doesn't feel powdery or dry. So I love this. All of these ingredients I will link below. And then you know that I typically use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and that I love it. It's lovely. I recommend it, and I love it. But because I'm trying to get rid of some of my products, I just have too much makeup. Today, as a foundation, I'm going to be using my Revlon Photo Ready BB cream, and this BB cream has an SPF of 30. So before I was alerted to the amount of SPF protection that you need to put on your skin, I would probably have thought that this was enough to protect my face, and I'd go out happy camper into the sun. No, it's not enough. So now you know that you can add a foundation with SPF onto your skin, but you cannot depend on it to be your total protection. Now let's begin. The first thing I'm going to start with is going to be my e.l.f. tone adjusting because I have red tones on my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of my tone adjusting primer, and it's green so that it can tone down those red spots and marks, and hopefully it'll cover a little bit of my pores. Now I've mentioned this before, that as a pore covering primer, it's not the best. But my skin does get a lot of reddish tones, so for that it does help. Let me go get a napkin. Now I'm going to apply my BB cream, Revlon Photo Ready. I like this BB cream. I like that it has an SPF. It is a medium, very light coverage for me in particular. And what I do is I just put some of it on, spread it around my face. I do it in circular motions. It's just the way that I go. I do it like that. And I'm going to show you a technique that I do afterwards, which helps so that you don't have any, I don't know what it is, but you know, when you put on your foundation, maybe some of it collects in the pores, and then you can see the foundation in the pores. Okay, so you can see that this is not a high coverage foundation. So one of the things that I found that really, really works to give me a smooth finish without those pores being visible is to use my oval brush and then just go around, and for very gently, you don't do it hard, but you go in circular motions, and it helps float that foundation around in such a way so that you don't see the pores. I don't know, it's like magic. I don't know why it would work, but yeah, it works. Next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match. I love my L'Oreal True Match. This is in Cool 123. That would be C for Cool 123. And I love this. I definitely have to use this under my eyes because I have dark circles under my eyes. Now, I don't want to be using too much product near my eyes because I have I am getting better from a chalaison. Do you know what that is? A chalaison is, well, let's see, how do I explain it? There, you know, where your oils and tears and all of these liquids come through your skin, they come out through pores, so you have a whole bunch on the bottom here where your eyelashes are, and you have a whole bunch up here. And what happens is that sometimes they get blocked, and when they get blocked, then you get what is called a chalaison. So that's what it is. And one of the good things that you can do to get rid of it and to avoid that it happens is to wash your eyes with Johnson's baby shampoo. The other good thing that you can do to get rid of it, I want to put very little, I don't want to put a lot, is to massage outward very gently and down very gently. And that helps all of the fluid keep going in the direction it needs to be going. Okay, so now I hope I explained that right, but they are pretty common, so those little tips might help. The next thing that I'm going to be putting on is my Palladio, is it Palladio? Yeah, my Palladio stick blush and lipstick, and I don't know, maybe you want to use it for something else, but I only use it for blush and for, you know, for lipstick, I'll tell you, it's a little bit too light. I don't think I would use it for lipstick, see? It's a little too light for me. I need to use a little more bold lipsticks because I feel that if not, I look washed out. But if I were, let's say, at the beach, you know, this is good. I'm at the beach. I don't want to have a lot of makeup on, and that's good. And I can just throw it in my purse with my sunscreen, and I'm good to go, see? So I like using this underneath and then putting on a powder blush because I feel that it sticks on. So let me show you the powder blush that I'm going to use today. The powder blush that I'm going to use over my Palladio stick blush is going to be the Milani Romantic Rose. And I love this, but I found that it just was not lasting throughout the day. I mean, not even close. And when I started using the stick blush underneath, I found that it lasted a lot longer. Okay, by the way, these brushes are great. I'm gonna show you a picture of these brushes. You get so many and it is so inexpensive. So I'm gonna put a link for you so that you can see if you want to check it out. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a look in my mirror because I wanna make sure I'm not doing a crazy face instead of a natural face. And there we go. So what I'm trying to achieve is a natural or a no makeup look that will be appropriate for the daytime, for Miami, which is a hot, humid environment, for a day where I want to maybe hang out in shorts, which is always good outside. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the, whoops, it's going to fall, the Ulta Brow Pomade. It comes in a little pot like this, which I think is adorable, and there it is. And the shade that I am using is, let me take out this little sticker that I have here. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to tell you. It's a warm brown. Yeah, a warm brown. Let me tell you what I did. I put these little Velcro things on my little bottles and stuff, and I put them in a picture frame, and I just stuck them to the picture frame so that I could have it right above my makeup desk. And it was really practical, but then I got bored. I get bored of things. I don't know. Is that attention deficit? I don't know. But whatever it is, I don't think it's that I have attention deficit. I think that basically what I want to do is I want to try new things. So it's not necessarily that I'm getting bored, it's that I want to try something different. I want to explore and experiment. Okay, so here we are. I'm doing my brow. And look at the difference. Look at this one and look at this one. No, okay. It looks so different. Now I have a special liking that you might not, but I like dark brows. Some people don't. They like lighter brows. Lighter brows do have a tendency to make your face softer. It's more romantic, more delicate, but I don't care. I like dark brows. So that's what I do. My brows are light. Well, actually, they're not that they're light. It's that I have very sparse brows. And what I like to do is make them darker and more defined. And I think it's because since I'm so fair and I'm blonde, I want to have something defining and bold on my face. And I like it to be my brows. I also like it to be my lips, but not for today. Can't do that for today because I want to do a no makeup look. Okay, so there we go. See, it just gives me a totally different look. And then I go ahead and I finish it off because I do have gray hairs. So I use my Glossier Brow Boy, I believe that's what it's called. I'll put everything in links. And I use that. I'm not going to use the viewfinder. It's going to be so difficult. So I'm going to use this. And then you can't see it. Oh my gosh, what a dilemma. So then I just use this to comb it out so that they're not disorganized and to cover some of those grays. Here we go. So I'm not really putting too much on. So this product is going to last me a long time. I have got too many products. I have too much makeup. It's crazy. I don't know about you guys, but I need to stop. I really do need to stop. Okay, now I'm going to use, and it's not like I buy that much, but I have too much. Okay, so I'm going to take a look, see how I look. I'm okay. I'm not going to wear any contouring. I already have too much of a natural contouring. So I can wear contouring if I want some kind of a dramatic look or maybe to go out in the evening, but I don't really need contouring. Not everybody needs contouring. If I wanted to, I could contour down a little bit my nose to give my nose a thinner look, but I'm not worried about it, so I don't have to do it. The areas that I would do it because I might really need them would be the nose and around here because I have a large forehead. But I don't really see you can see it, you can see a natural contour. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put my Milani Prep Set and Go setting powder. And here we go. I don't put that much on there. I dip my brush like this and go like that. And this brush is a Morphe R7. And I'm done. Look at that. Whoa, what a natural look. I can go to anywhere like this in Miami. Now, if I wanted to make it just a little prettier and a little more made up, then I can use my Milani gloss. This is Coral Crush by Milani. And see right away, I get more light, more color. And then let go of my hair because I can't stand having it up. It just gives me like a headache. And there I am. I'm good to go. I hope that you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me for a no makeup look, and I hope that you subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.